Understanding A Tearful Tribute, Unveiling the Emotion in Language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and emotionally charged phrase in the English language, a tearful tribute. This phrase is not just about words. It's about the feelings and stories behind them. If you're ready to explore the depth of English expressions, you're in the right place. First, let's dissect a tearful tribute. This phrase combines two powerful words, tearful and tribute. Tearful is an adjective describing something filled with tears, often indicating sadness or strong emotions. On the other hand, a tribute is a noun that refers to an act, statement, or gift intended to show respect, admiration, or gratitude. So, when these words come together, they create a phrase full of emotional depth. This phrase is typically used in solemn or reflective contexts. You might hear it at memorials, farewell ceremonies, or in speeches honoring someone's life and achievements. It's a way to describe a homage that is deeply emotional and often accompanied by tears. For example, the community paid a tearful tribute to the local hero. This implies that the community showed their respect and admiration with visible emotions. Understanding phrases like a tearful tribute helps in appreciating the emotional aspect of the English language. It's not just about learning vocabulary but also about understanding the feelings and experiences that words can convey. When you use such a phrase, you're not just speaking, you're sharing an emotional story. And that's our journey through the phrase, a tearful tribute. We hope this video not only added a new expression to your vocabulary but also helped you feel the emotion behind the words. Remember, language is not just about speaking. It's about expressing and connecting. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.